Naranasan mo na bang humarap na masuliranin mag-isa? Yun bang hindi mo alam kung kanino ka magsusumbong? Hindi mo alam kung mayroon bang makakaunawa sa iyong kalagayan? Hindi mo alam kung tama bang ikwento sa iba ang iyong mga kabigatan? Bago natin yan pag-uusapan, pakinggan natin ang awiting ito.
Have you feel so all alone, without a friend who cares? Or you try to hide the pain trapped in your soul? If the teardrops fall like rain and the hurts hard to explain, there is something that you need to know. God gives strength to the weary, help to the faint, hope to those who think they can go on. He will lift up the fallen, heal your wounded soul, comfort you from midnight until dawn. Our God is near, so we must carry on. Many people that I've met are surrounded by defeat, walking by and dying day by day. I will take them in my arms and let Jesus calm their storms, and with blessed assurance they will hear me say, God gives strength to the weary, help to the faint, hope to those who think they can go on. He will lift up the fallen, heal your wounded soul, comfort you from midnight until dawn. Our God is near, so we must carry on. God gives strength to the weary, help to the faint, hope to those who think they can go on. He will lift up the fallen, heal your wounded soul, comfort you from midnight until dawn. Our God is near, so we must carry on. Our God is near, so we must carry on. Our God is near, so we must carry on.
Hindi mali ang pagkukwento sa iba pagkat mas mainam rin kung mayroon kang mapagsasabihan o masusumbungan na iyong mga kabigatan. Gayunpaman, minsan, kung ang ibubunga lamang ng ating paghahayag ay kahatulan o kaya ay ang paghina ng kalooban ng ating mga sinusumbungan, minsan napapaisip tayo na mas mainam na lang sigurong sarilinin na lang. Kapatid, mayroon tayong safe na sumbungan, maasahan at tiyak na tayo'y maunawaan at matutulungan. Ayon sa 1 Peter 5:6-7, sabi ng Biblia, humble yourselves therefore under the mighty hand of God, that He may exalt you in due time, casting all your care upon Him, for He careth for you. Kaya nga't magpakumbaba kayo sa ilalim ng makapangyarihang kamay ng Diyos, upang kayo'y Kanyang itaas sa takdang panahon. Ilagak ninyo ang inyong mga alalahanin sa Kanya, pagkat Siya'y may pagmamalasakit sa inyo. Hindi mo kailangang mag-isa. Lumapit ka sa Diyos sa pamamagitan ni Kristo at makakasumpong ka ng tiyak na kapahingahan at pag-asa. Sabi pa nga ng Panginoong Kristo, lumapit kayo sa akin, kayong mga nahihirapan at may mabibigat na pasanin, at bibigyan ko kayo ng kapahingahan. Kung sa tingin mo'y wala kang malalapitan, wala kang masusumbungan, ito na ang panahon upang sa Panginoon ka lumapit at idulog sa Kanya ang iyong mga kabigatan. God bless.